Welcome to Mystery Pop. Today we'll be unboxing some mystery capsule chicks that we got. So this first one that we have, it came in this purple box, as you see here.
Let's see. I broke my nail.
Worth it.
Okay. There, let's look at the possibilities. She came with this fluffy thing. I don't know if it's a skirt or a jacket.
Oh, I think I know which one you got.
Okay. Oh, I got her face. Got this like purse. It's kind of like a flower. And then these shoes. Girl.
Supposed to be like a jacket.
Whoa, she has pink hair.
Aww.
Whoa.
I think I know who you got.
I think this is a belt.
That's cute.
And then her feet.
Oh, you got this. You got this top, but you got these bottoms. They're pants with the belt. Bracelet. Now this is the next box that we have in this pink color.
Whoa.
Oh, I think it's this one. I want it. Purple. Oh, the purse is so cute.
That is cute. Oh, it's shiny.
Shiny. Coin.
Oh,
Coin.
look at the shoes.
You
It's
got
a
a coin.
limited edition.
Oh.
You got it. Oh, her heels have pom-poms in them.
Yeah, I think it's a limited edition one. Oh.
I know.
I know.
Maybe it is that girl.
Limited edition.
Yeah, maybe it is her because it's like all her stuff.
Yeah. You got her.
Oh. I was like, here's the box. You're like,
I know. I was like, it came with coin.
she's like, come find me. And I'm like, can't open this.
Your Christmas tree is
Her
stabbing me
coat
behind
is
the back.
cute.
It's just like, oh, her coat's adorable. Adorable.
Her dress.
Tight.
Hi.
And we're going to be doing another purple box, which will be next. I think I have to.
Blind bag.
Oh, there's.
This one has an orange.
Cute.
It's like sparkly too.
My box is jammed. Okay, so this.
Oh, I like her face. I like your face better than mine. She has freckles.
Cute.
I like her like that. Her accessory. One Loxy. Why?
Do you want to put this on first? What is this supposed to be? A skirt?
But I know she's already going to choose it because you guys always take the things I have. She don't got a shirt.
Did it fall? What did
Oh, it did come with a bracelet right here.
Oh, pink.
Limited edition with the box.
Oh.
Coin says it all. And our last one will be this bright orange box.
Orange bracelet.
Ooh, orange bracelet's cute.
And the green.
The green
shoes.
boots.
Oh, a little transparent bag.
Oh.
There's like pants.
It kind of looks like the pants for the girl in the box.
Oh, it does. They're like a design. It's like camo.
Now you gotta dress her.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and let us know if there's anything you'd like to have us unbox. Bye!